This is a Blender tip video showing you how to use the camera actively using Blender 2.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two panels with this user perspective. So I'm going to click up here with the diagonal lines, drag down. Now I got a duplicate panel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click for the top one, click on View, Cameras, Active Camera. Now, this panel shows me what the camera is looking at from the camera's perspective. Down here is, of course, the 3D view of user perspective. Now, if the camera is in the position that I want, I'm just going to leave it there, and I can move the cube on the bottom panel and see how it moves within my camera view. So if I wanted the cube over here, for example, I know how the photo is going to look. Another thing I can do is, if I want to center my cube, of course I can just move the cube, but let's say I wanted my cube here, I can actually just move my camera, clicking on the camera, right click, and I can change where I want the camera to be. Therefore, it changes where the cube is oriented in my photo. Okay, thanks for watching.